Our events are typically between 3 and 4 days long and include either 2 or 3 full days of driving.
Hey, I'm Andy, professional performance car driver with a passion for well-engineered cars and driving with friends on mountain roads. On this channel, I share with you my driving experiences and bring you videos on new gear and car reviews.
We typically drive about 200 to 250 miles a day. I mean, we're out driving around, including stops. We're out probably 6-7 hours a day at least. But we do start the day with a full breakfast, and there are planned stops throughout the day, right? Whether it's an overlook or just, a bio break, as well as lunch. And then in the evening, we return for some refreshment, kind of share stories of the day before we sit down for an evening dinner. In each event, you will be provided with a walkie-talkie in each car that allows me to communicate with the group. I typically call out directions, kind of, hey, we're turning left up ahead, and 1 mile we're going to do this, or we're pulling into an overlook. I'll call those things out on the radio, as well as hazards on the road. As the lead car, I'm going to see things first, whether that's debris on the road, roadkill, cyclists, pedestrians walking along the side of the road. I'll call those things out so we can drive safely, right? And not affect others on the road either. And then the other fun part of it is with the radios, I encourage people to, kind of banter back and forth. If someone sees someone driving funny, maybe they give them a call out or just whatever, just some banter on the radio kind of breaks up the driving a little bit. It's always fun. I always find the radio chatter a ton of fun. You'll also have in-car action cameras, so action camera facing out the windshield of your car to record the excitement of your time in the mountains. In addition to that, we'll bring along a photographer on our drives to capture some lasting memories of you and your car. Before each day, we set out each day, I usually will, get with the group and talk about where we're going for the day. You'll be provided with an overview of a map so you kind of have a general idea. But since you're following in the group, you don't need to have directions because you're never going to get separated. You just need to, you jump in the group and you just follow me, the lead, and you just follow along. You don't have to worry about directions or am I going to get lost. That won't happen. I'm there to make sure that we're all together and that you have a good time. So I'll give an update on where we're driving, and then I'll also provide some tips on safety and car control of driving in the mountains. Because for some, it's their first time, and some of these roads can be a little intimidating for some people. So I give folks an idea of what they're going to experience and how they can approach the drive safely for the day. I would say that our events are suited for people who want to experience the thrill of driving on mountain roads, safely explore their car's capability, and learn car control techniques. We are not a substitute for, we're not road racing. We're not a substitute for a high-performance driver's education on the track. If you want to do those things, then I suggest, you go to a local drag strip or you go to a track event near you where you can take your car safely to, the limit. We're not going to do that on these roads, just so you understand. We're not going to do those. But I will, teach you how to, because you can get your car sideways going 30 miles an hour on the tail of the Dragon. So I will help you understand how to control the car. We do run our events rain or shine. So if it's pouring down rain or it's raining, we're going out. So the folks who participate usually don't mind if their car gets dirty or their car gets wet. I promise you, your car will get dirty, and with the pop-up showers that occur in the mountains, I can pretty much guarantee you your car is going to get wet over those few days of driving. Your car won't melt. I love keeping my car clean. I love the look of my car being clean. But when I come to the mountain, I just know that it's going to get dirty. There is a self-service, pressure washing car wash not too far away from where we stay. So if that you really need to, there is a place, and I can let you know where that's at if you want to go wash your car. But I typically wash my car when I get it back home. So those are how the events are run. I have found over the years of doing these events that some people feel they're not really sure what they're going to get, but one thing that is consistent over and over again is once people get there and they experience the drive and being with other like-minded people, they immediately want to come back. There's a little nervousness or hesitancy about getting together with folks that maybe you don't know. But what I've learned is it's regardless of the manufacturer loyalties you may have to a particular brand. When you get together with auto enthusiasts or sports car enthusiasts, the commonality is the cars in general, not the brand. And then the driving experiences. I've seen it over and over again, and I love seeing that excitement on everybody's face. And at the end of the day going, oh my gosh, we had a blast. I can't wait to get back and do it again. So come along, experience it, test your capabilities, test your car in a safe environment with other like-minded drivers. And I think you'll be surprised. You'll build some lasting friendships. So, hey, I look forward to seeing you. Anytime you have any questions about an event, we have our email address, events@rsxperience.com. Shoot us a note, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. So that's it from here. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give us a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to get reminders. The more people subscribe, hopefully improved content over time, especially when it comes to the car reviews. I need to get my subscribers up to get access to some other manufacturers and do some reviews for y'all. Anyway, hey, that's it from here. As always, stay healthy and stay safe.